The Indian Space Research Organisation (ISRO) is one of the most successful space agencies in the world. Like in numerous other professional fields, women are underrepresented in this industry as well. However, there have been several remarkable women scientists who made substantial contributions to the success of various missions of the Indian Space Agency. Let's explore 6 of such noteworthy women scientists of the Indian Space Research Organisation.
Lalitambika, a distinguished control systems engineer, was one of the most senior scientists at ISRO, contributing immensely to India's rocket program. With expertise in advanced launcher technologies, she played a pivotal role in building the country's rocket program and developing launch vehicle guidance, navigation, and control systems, enabling India's space missions to achieve precision and reliability. Working with ISRO for over 30 years, she was instrumental in strengthening India's satellite launch capabilities, including PSLV, GSLV, and cryogenic propulsion advancements. As the director of Gaganyaan, she led India's first human spaceflight program, laying the foundation for future astronaut missions. Her leadership in next-generation space technologies has propelled India's ambitions in deep space exploration and crewed missions. A true trailblazer, Lalitambika continues to inspire young engineers in aerospace innovation and national scientific progress. Muthaiya Vanitha played a pioneering role in India's lunar exploration as the project director of Chandrayaan-2, making history as the first female project director in ISRO. With expertise in data systems and spacecraft telemetry, she contributed significantly to missions like Cartosat-1, OceanSat-2, and Meghatropics satellites. Her leadership in satellite imaging and communication systems helped ensure mission accuracy and efficiency. Vanitha's meticulous planning and problem-solving skills were instrumental in Chandrayaan-2's ambitious lunar exploration, despite the challenges faced during landing. Ritu Karidhal, widely known as the Rocket Woman of India, served as the mission director of Chandrayaan-2 and later led Chandrayaan-3 mission. She previously played a key role as Deputy Operations Director in the Mangalyaan Mars Orbiter mission, contributing to India's first interplanetary success. Her expertise in spacecraft autonomy and trajectory design has strengthened India's deep space capabilities. Ritu Karidhal remains an inspiration for women in STEM and India's growing space ambitions. Anuradha, one of ISRO's senior-most women scientists, now retired, made history as the first female satellite project director in the organization. Over her 35-year tenure, she played a pivotal role in India's geostationary satellite programs, ensuring the success of GSAT-12, GSAT-10, and several other communication satellites that strengthened India's space infrastructure. As the GeoSat program director at ISRO's Satellite Center, she led advancements in satellite communication and geostationary technology, shaping India's connectivity and broadcasting capabilities. Her expertise in payload integration and satellite operations contributed to enhancing India's telecommunications, disaster management, and remote sensing capabilities. Known for her technical acumen and leadership, she mentored numerous scientists, paving the way for women in aerospace engineering. Anuradha's contributions continue to inspire India's space ambitions and future satellite developments. Nandini Harinath is a distinguished ISRO scientist known for her contributions to India's space missions. Beginning her career at ISRO Satellite Center in Bangalore as a rocket scientist, she has played a crucial role in mission planning and spacecraft design. As the project manager, mission design, and deputy operations director of Mangalyaan Mars Orbiter mission, she helped ensure its historic success, making India the first country to reach Mars on its first attempt. She also served as project manager and mission designer for Chandrayaan-3, advancing India's lunar exploration capabilities. Over 2 decades, she has contributed to nearly 15 missions, specializing in trajectory optimization and interplanetary navigation. A passionate advocate for women in STEM, she has inspired the next generation of scientists with her expertise in spacecraft autonomy and deep space exploration. Her work continues to shape India's growing ambitions in planetary missions and beyond. Valar Manthi, a senior ISRO scientist, contributed immensely to India's space program during her 3-decade tenure. She made history as the project director of RESAT-1, India's first indigenously developed radar imaging satellite, used for disaster management, surveillance, and agricultural monitoring. After Anuradha, she became the second woman scientist at ISRO to lead such a significant and prestigious mission. Valar Manthi was involved in key satellite launches, including INSAT-2A, IRS-1C, IRS-1D, and Technology Experiment Satellite (TES), strengthening India's remote sensing and communication capabilities. Her expertise in satellite systems engineering and mission planning helped develop advanced imaging technologies for Earth observation. As a pioneering scientist, Valar Manthi played a crucial role in advancing India's satellite autonomy, inspiring future generations of women in space research and engineering.